Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And I'm happy to announce that the Canopy Airlock is coming back in stock. You might remember this was a little device that you could put in your canopy. You could close it, latch it, and lock it, and you still had a 2-inch gap that nobody could get their arm in to steal anything out of the airplane. And at the same time, it also allowed the airplane on a hot ramp to vent all the hot air, so when you went to get in it to fly home, it was nice and cool. So stay tuned while we talk a bit more about the Canopy Airlock, again back in stock. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So this is the remove before flight, and we're going to shoot right over here now to the Canopy Airlock. This is what they look like in their current style. But now let's go back and look at the original video when Dan Rubino used to make them back about 4 years ago.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And we're showing off here a new Canopy Airlock. Dan makes these. It's a really nice product, and let me demonstrate a little bit more about it. It just basically slides into your airplane. You slide it onto the post you have in your aircraft now, and you latch onto this post. So you just bring the canopy forward, latch up. Now you can lock your canopy. It can't be opened, and this lock assembly right here gives you a nice 2-inch gap to let a lot of hot air out. Pretty much basically big enough to stop somebody's hand from getting in and stealing anything, but allowing your canopy to have ventilation when you're parked on a hot day. So this is the Canopy Airlock. They're available in the company store on the GPA website. Product code Airlock. We have some pictures of them. But here it is. Get one for your airplane, and you won't have to worry about a hot day being parked on the ramp.
So I have always thought since the early days when Dan showed me his first prototype that it was a very clever design. I mean, it works really well for our airplane. I would have thought this would have been something that the factory would have jumped on immediately and said, hey, we just want to buy the rights. We're going to have a bunch made, and every time you buy a Grumman 4-place Tiger, this is what you get with your new purchase. It's a really nice, useful item. Again, especially for hot ramps when you're stopping for a fuel turnaround or something and you want to keep your canopy secure at the same time venting a lot of air. Now, these were originally done by Dan, but we took one and sacrificed it, and Dave took it and re-engineered it, and this is the inkling that we have now. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you found all this useful and informative. I had a gentleman in Europe ask me just the other day before we lost power about buying these, and I had to tell him that they were no longer available, and then later that day I found out they're coming back in stock. So if you want to get one, please contact Roscoe at Yankee Aviation. So again, we hope you found this all useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. So we hope you enjoyed all of this. Thanks for watching.